Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a rainy day clean with me. I love to just potter around the house when it's raining and get everything nice and cozy, so that's what I want to do today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So once I'd made a cup of tea and got the 90s music playing in the background, it was time to start off in the kitchen. So I'm just going to put the washing up away that I did the night before and then crack on with the washing up that's left, because there's always washing up to do in this house. So I just want to get that done first so I can get the kitchen nice and decluttered. So next on my list is just to wipe over the sides and make sure everything is nice and fresh. On rainy days, I just like having a really nice cozy house. I don't know what it is about coziness, but I absolutely love it, and I always try and make my house as cozy as possible. So I'm just going to wipe down all the sides, making sure they're nice and clean, and just adding in that gorgeous mandarin scent, because you know what I'm like when it comes to fragrances. I just love a really fragrant house. So I'm just going to let the washing up dry on the draining board for a little while whilst I go round and give everything a good wipe over.
You wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.
So next up on my to-do list is, of course, to clean the sink. It's one of my favourite things to do. So if I want to have a really nice cozy home, I definitely do make sure the sink is clean, because I think it finishes off the kitchen. The kitchen just looks so much better with a nice sparkly sink. So I'm going to go in with my usual products of Cif cream, and then again with the white vinegar spray, just to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. So once I had the kitchen nice and clean, the candle going, and just everything feeling super fresh and cozy, it was time to move through into the front room and just neaten that up. As you can see, it's always looking a little bit worse for wear every single morning. So I'm just going to go in and sort all of the blankets out, the cushions, and just basically put everything back where it belongs. So once I had everything looking nice and put together, I'm just going to go in and give it a good dust over with my Pledge. I just love the smell of this. It makes everything feel, again, really cozy, and I just love the smell of it. I have also been using the Fabulosa polish, and that smells so good, but I think you just always have your go-to product, and the Pledge is definitely for me when I want to have a nice cozy day. So I'm just going to go in, give everything a good dust over so I can then go in and hoover and just make everything really nice and fresh, ready for the day. I definitely feel like the best time to do the ironing is on a rainy day. I think it's one of those cozy chores to do, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to crack on with the ironing. As you can see, I do have a fair bit to do, and if you've been here before, you know that I'm really slow at it. So this is definitely going to take me a while.
When I shake, watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead, go and catch me, baby.
I really hope you're enjoying today's video so far. If you are, please do consider subscribing before you leave, and also go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up. If you'd like to follow me on a bit more of a daily basis, then do go ahead and follow me over on Instagram as well. I'll have the link down in the description, so pop on over and say hello and let me know that you come from YouTube.
Thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
So once I finally had all of that done, I just wanted to go through into the bedroom and tidy it up a little bit and make the bed. You know that I love having a freshly made bed to get into at the end of the day, so I always make sure this is done at some point during the day. I usually like to do it first thing in the morning, but on this day I just left it because I knew that I was coming upstairs to do all of the laundry, so I thought I may as well do it then. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed now and just freshen everything up. But I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, leave today's video a thumbs up, and I will see you back here in the next one.